Good day. For this activity, we're going to check if our two clients are receiving an assigned IP address from our server, and we're going to verify it also in our server. So first, let's go to my server and click on the start button, then server monitor. On the right corner of the server monitor, click tools and click DHCP. Maximize this and click Tetra SO1 and IP4 and click scope. And the scope, click address dishes. So as you can see, we have two IP addresses. And let's configure our Windows 10 and Windows 7 first. CMD, right click, run as administrator. IP config. So for our Windows 10, the assigned IP address of our server is 192.168.38.10. Let's go to my Windows 7 and check and configure it also is IP config. So for this Windows 7, we have an assigned IP address of 192.168.38.11. So as you can see, these two IP addresses is the same on our here on our server. The addresses are the same. So now let's going to try to release the IP address. So on our Windows 10, IP config release. And on our Windows 7, IP config release. So let's go back to my server, and IP address should not be listed here. So if I refresh this, the IP addresses should not be here. So let's refresh, and yeah, there's no IP addresses, so it means that the IP addresses is already released. And now we're going to renew the IP addresses. So let's go to Windows 10 and type ipconfig renew. And let's wait. So for this, the assigned IP address is the same as what is assigned earlier. So it's also 192.168.38.10. And let's go to my Windows 7 and type the ipconfig renew. ipconfig renew. So let's wait. So for this Windows 7, the IP address is also the same as what it assigned earlier. So it's also 192.168.38.11. So and now we're going back to our server and check if the IP address is renewed. So let's refresh this. So as you can see, the two IP address is now here on our address dishes. Thank you for listening.